Project AIM. This project aims to develop an inventory management system using matrices in R. The system will manage and manipulate inventory data for real items, including item names, quantities, and prices. It will also provide functionalities to analyze and visualize the data, objectives, understand and create matrices to store inventory data for real items, perform various operations on matrices, utilize functions to manipulate and analyze inventory data stored in matrices, visualize inventory data for better insights, step-by-step implementation. Step 1. Creating a matrix to store inventory data. Create a matrix to store item names, quantities, and prices for real items. We created a matrix named inventory to store the quantities and prices of different real items. The output generated is here. The rows represent items, and the columns represent properties, quantity, and price. Step 2. Adding a new item. Create a function to add a new item to the inventory matrix. The add_item function allows us to add a new item to the inventory matrix by specifying the item name, quantity, and price. The output generated is like this. We added mangoes with the quantity 60 and price is 1.5. Step 3. Updating item quantity. Create a function to update the quantity of an existing item. The update_quantity function updates the quantity of a specified item. As you can see in the output, the quantity of bananas changes to 120. Step 4. Calculating total inventory value. Create a function to calculate the total value of the inventory. The calculate_inventory_value function calculates the total value of the inventory by multiplying the quantity and price for each item and summing the results. As you can see, the total inventory value is 330. Step 5. Finding the most and least expensive items. Create functions to find the most and least expensive items. The find most expensive item and find least expensive item functions find the most and least expensive items by applying the which.max and which.min functions to the price column of the matrix. In the output you can see grapes is the most expensive item as its price is 2 and banana is the least expensive item as its price is 0.5. Step 6. Visualizing inventory data. Visualize the inventory data using bar plots to gain better insights. Bar plot for item quantities. Output. A bar plot showing the quantities of each item, with blue bars indicating the quantities. Bar plot for item prices. Output. A bar plot showing the prices of each item, with red bars indicating the prices. Conclusion. In this lecture, we've demonstrated how to use matrices in R to develop an inventory management system. We created a matrix to store quantities and prices for different real items. We implemented functions to add new items, update item quantities, calculate the total inventory value, and find the most and least expensive items. We also visualized the inventory data using bar plots. This project demonstrates the use of matrices in R for data management and analysis, providing valuable insights into inventory data.